The Helping Hands Community Center is a food pantry located in Stanford, Illinois that serves citizens living in the Allen Township area of McLean County. Helping Hands is run by Kathy Weinzierl. Kathy graduated from Eastern Illinois University with both a bachelor's and master's degree in family and consumer sciences, and she worked for the University of Illinois Extension Office for many years. Today, Kathy is a substitute teacher for the Olympia School District and continues to lead Stanford's 4-H group, the Olympia Pacesetters. 11 years ago, Kathy and other Stanford community members made the decision to turn their church's parsonage into a food pantry. Many members of the Allen Township area had seasonal employment and struggled to put food on the table. Kathy and her team have partnered with the Midwest Food Bank to gather food to be distributed at their monthly food pantries. Working alongside Kathy are elementary through high school age students in her 4-H group, as well as students in special education classes at Olympia Middle School and Olympia High School. The special education students work to take inventory each month, while the 4-H members fulfill orders at the monthly food pantries. Kathy and her team's flawless system work to serve 55 families on average each month.